If you compare a fourplex to, say, a single-family home, which they're great, I have a couple myself, one of the big advantages of single-family homes is liquidity, and then another is the financing. You know, your mortgage on your house is what's a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. It's great. That's pretty desirable. But the downside is you have one tenant, and if your house is vacant, it is vacant. There's nothing coming in. So you say, well, then I'm going to do multifamily. That's great. We got a bunch of different tenants. A fourplex is not a ton of tenants, but 4 is better than 1. The downside, commercial financing, once you get above 4 units. All right, with commercial financing, what do we have? We have a balloon payment in 7 or 10 years. And I don't know what the economy is doing in 7 or 10 years, right? When you have to refinance or sell, you don't know what's going to be going on. And something that's extra annoying is the commercial lender, they're going to check in with you every 6 months or every year and do an expense analysis, right? If your income and your expense ratio's gone out of whack, who knows what they can do? They can do a capital call. They can say, we need you to deposit $200,000 with our institution because we're not comfortable with your falling income and expense ratio. All right, so you lose some control there. So if we blend these two worlds with a fourplex, we can get true 30-year fixed rate financing. And as long as you make the payment, no one's looking over your shoulder, right? No one's saying, hey, you need to make a capital contribution. No one's telling you got to pay it off in 7 years. And we'd all agree that 30 years is a nice, comfortable timeline, right? We think, okay, no matter what kind of whipsaw we get, generally over a 30-year period, and this is like the most conservative case, but you feel like I'm going to see some appreciation, I'm going to see some gains, and my rents are going to go up. It's a good, comfortable timeline to work with. So we feel like it's recession resistant for those reasons. No one's making you pay it off. You got those 4 tenants, right, that help you service the income. And people love it. It's accessible. It's a way for the average investor to participate in a little bit bigger of an asset.